XRP could gain 1.6% tomorrow, according to Gov Capital Collector. But first, let's start with the current situation on the market. XRP is currently down 2% in the last 24 hours and sits around $1.3897. Now, let's look at what the analysts expect. According to Traders Union, the asset may drift down to $1.3806 by May 19, a decrease of nearly 0.6%. 30 rates anticipates XRP may drop toward $1.3876, an estimated loss of 0.1%. According to Digital Coin Price, the value may approach $1.3951, an estimated increase of 0.4%. Another projection from Gov Capital Collector indicates XRP may head toward $1.4114, again estimated at 1.6%. And to wrap up, crypto predictions highlights a target of $1.442 by May 19, which is 3.8% higher. This is the highest potential return among all forecasts. We've covered the analysts. Let's see what's beyond. We've seen the forecasts. Now let's measure what they suggest. The forecast range now stands between a decline of 0.6% and a gain of 3.8%. The numbers make it clear that Crypto Predictions predicts the highest return with 3.8% surge in value by May 19. By the look of it, you could walk away with between $1 and $38 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the odds, 30 rates is number one with an 84.5% chance of success. From the 5 analysts' forecasts, I've outlined one combined consensus scenario. The consensus target puts XRP at close to $1.4033. Let's check the details. Consensus figures suggest the price could go higher by 1%. To make it clear, your capital may rise by roughly 1% as well, in alignment with that outcome. A 1,000 example position could imply a possible $10 return. Consensus modeling suggests that the probability of this forecast materializing is 77.6%. Before moving forward, let's review how analysts project the 3-day outlook. Traders Union indicates a positive trajectory in the short run. According to 30 rates, the market looks flat for now. According to Digital Coin Price, the market is likely to trend downward. A slide is similarly anticipated by Gov Capital Collector, with pressure on the downside. Crypto Predictions indicates only marginal movement ahead. Collectively, the forecasts point to XRP remaining calm, with the consensus indicating minimal movement in the short term. In conclusion, 60% of analysts lean toward a bullish scenario, suggesting XRP may move higher. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. As a result, the daily candle closed at $1.4015. The closing price showed that only a handful of forecasts had the direction right. The forecast with the smallest deviation was from 30 rates. Now it's time to break it into parts. The daily price span included 2 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, several forecasts showed profits and Crypto Predictions reached 3.9%, the highest among them. Here's the summary. A quick look at all forecast outcomes. The table includes Crypto Predictions with 42.4% forecast probability, accuracy, and 3.9% ROI. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Here's how tomorrow's projections look for other cryptocurrencies compared with XRP. XRP holds 4th position as Litecoin stays ahead with 2%. In this section, XRP is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A wider comparison can already be found on my website. That's it for this one. If this content made your research easier, please hit like. It means a lot. See you in the next update.